Hey, what's up? It's Lindsay. Today I am doing a review of this VIPEK rolling clothes hanger. I am so excited about this. If you are someone that possibly needs more organization, maybe you're in a small space like a dorm, apartment, or you simply just want a place to put that special stuff, this is so awesome. Let me show you why. The brand did send this to me so that I can give you my honest review and demonstrate what this is all about. So this clothes rack is awesome because it can hold a lot of different clothes. The rod is actually really strong. I put this together all on my own, which means it's very simple to put together. You could even place some things up here on top. And then as you look down here, there's a basket. So if you wanted to roll up some towels or blankets and utilize the basket, I have long dresses in here right now, so I'm not, but you could definitely store items in here as well. This is where it gets really fun. On the side here, you have hooks. So as you can see, I have placed some bags on my hooks, but again, you could do hats, you could do scarves, you could hang your robe. It could be so many things and so functional. And then over here on the other side, you actually have another rack which you can use. You could actually hang earrings on here. I've just got a couple of necklaces, but again, the hooks could be used for any that you want. So I love the functional aspect of this, but also it's made really well. It's sleek, it's modern. It can fit in so many different places because it's not overly large. I love it. I would definitely recommend.